Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a wedding card in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Then go to your Canva account and log in with ID and password. After logging in, you will find this interface. So you can see here a search bar. Just click on the search bar and write wedding card and press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will see here wedding card templates. You will find many thousands of templates here. Okay, see, you have to just choose one which is your which is relevant to you and which is your choice preference. Just choose one and start customizing by yourself. I'm going to show you how. Just let's choose this one. You can see here the template. If you want to customize this, just click on this customize this template and you will find this interface. Now you can change every portion you want. Just if you want to change this picture, just click on this and click this bin. It will be removed. Delete image, it will be removed. And if you want to add a picture here, you have to go uploads. You have to go upload files and you have to upload a file from your computer. Okay, so after uploading file from your computer, it will be here. Just click on this and drag it with your mouse and it will be here. Okay guys, I'm showing you for the basic tutorial. Ignore my picture. Anyways, so click backspace, it will be removed. So if you want to add a custom picture here, just go to elements and write the element here like wedding photo. You will find many wedding photo here. This one, you can choose this one too, or you can choose this one too. Just adjust it here, it will be automatically adjusted, but you can use your own picture in your wedding photograph obviously. So upload it from your computer and you can fit it here. Okay, you can change this too. Just click on this, click backspace, it will be removed, and you can add any picture from your computer like uploads files, or you can go to like elements and you can add any elements here like family. You'll find here picture. Okay, so now if you want to zoom this portion, just click on this and click control from your keyboard and up scroll from the mouse. It will be zoom automatically. Now if you want to change this thank you, just double click and click backspace, it will be removed, and you can see here, you can write here welcome to my wedding. Okay, if you want to decrease this font size, just select this and you can see here minus. Just click on this, it will be decreased. Okay guys, so if you want to drag it, just drag it like this from your mouse. If you want to change the change the font color, double click and you can see here text color, and you will find many colors here. Just choose one, it will be automatically changed. You can also change this thing, write anything you want. Okay, if you want to change the color, like I said before, text color, and you can choose any colors. Okay, now if you want to add any elements here in the backspace, just go to elements and you can write any elements here like a cake. If you want to add this cake, you can resize it with mouse. You can put it here. Okay, now if you want to change the background color, just click on this and you can change by background color, going background color, and you can use any background color you want. Okay guys, so after completing your work, how you can download it, just go to the share button and you can see here download. Click on download. After clicking on download, this work will be automatically downloaded in your system. So if you want to share it with someone via mail, just go to here, collaborate link, and you will find anyone with the link. Choose this and write here email address you want to share with @gmail.com. If you click on send button, this work will be sent to this email address. Okay guys, so this is how basically you can start or make customizing your wedding card in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.